Anyone have a final guess? Final guess, final guess, final guess? Okay, guys, on the Disney Destiny, I cannot wait to check out my room. So what do you think the theme of my room is going to be? I'm going to show it to you. We are room 7558. Okay, so we're going to see right now what it is.
The suspense is terrible.
Go ahead. All right, I still can't see, but all right. First of all, walking into the room. Okay. Anyone have a final guess? Final guess, final guess, final guess? We've got Mulan. So cool. This is a veranda stateroom. Of course, it can sleep 5, or this one's 4. Just pull down from the wall up there. Out on the balcony, you can see the port. It's not that exciting right now. Nice little room tour. All right, guys. And then, of course, we have these beautiful bathrooms. And this one right here. And then plenty of closet space and a safe for your room. Thanks for visiting.